So here it is more questions, application of sum of terms, right? So how to do this question? Let us check that one. If the sum of first n terms of AP is given 4n minus n square. And it's given here 4n minus n square is the sum of first n terms. That means Sn is given here 4n minus n square. What is the first term? That means first terms S1. How it is S1? Only one term it is there. Sum of terms also become the first term, isn't it? That's why we are writing here A is S1. That means simply changed with N, isn't it? N with 1 you will get first term. Here instead of N what you should put? Simply put 1 here to get the first term. Correct? Yeah, 1 square, 4 into 1 become 4 minus 1 square become 1. So, a first term we are getting equal to 3. Is it? A is equal to 3. The first one term we got, what is the sum of first two terms? That means S2. S2 which is how much? How you will get? A plus D is not given, but what we given here? Sn it is given. So in Sn formula, if we substitute instead of n is 2, you will get the second term, sum of two terms, not second term, sum of first two terms. So 4 into 2, yeah, minus 2 square. Yeah, 4 into 2 is 8, minus 2 square is 4. So we are getting 4 here. Understood? So this is the sum of two terms. Which two terms? First term and the second term. This also we can written as A1 plus A2. Correct? Next one it's asking what's the second term. That means A1 plus A2 we got A1 it is calculated. You are asked to find out A2. So we can write A1 plus A2 which is equal to what? That is 4. Isn't it? A1 it is equal to 3. Therefore A2 is equal to what we are getting? Yeah, A2 is equal to 4. Yeah, simply 4 minus A1. 4 minus A1 which is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. Second term is 1 here. Understood? Yeah. Similarly, find third term and 10th term. So, remember one more formula I am giving you. First of all, we know that an, we want to find out an here. This is the formula. In between I am writing an can be written as sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. So, simply we can write here A3, correct? A3 which is equal to S3 minus S3 minus 1, that is 2. S3 minus S2. So S3 how we can calculate? Simply say change n by 3. Is it? So S3 become 4 into 3 minus 3 square. I am keeping in bracket. And minus this one S3 minus 2 is 2. S2 already calculated. Here I am writing here 4. So 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 1. Right. So A3 we got which one? Minus 1. Next one A10 also we can use the same formula. Okay. So let me write here it is. A10 we need. So what we can write here? Yeah. A10 is equal to. Yeah. A10 is equal to S10 minus S10 minus 1. Isn't it? So that become S into S10 become instead of n we should write 10 there. 4 into 10 minus 10 square. So we already given here Sn is equal to 4n minus n square, right? So simply substituting, and this is in bracket and S minus of S9, isn't it? 10 minus 1 it is 9. So that become 4 into 9 minus 9 square. Is it? So getting 4 into 9, 4 into 10 it is 40, minus 10 square it become 100, and in bracket and minus 4 into 9, 36, minus 9 into 9, 81. Yeah, subtracting these two, what we will get? Hmm. This become minus 60. If you are subtracting bigger from smaller, you will get negative number, right? And minus of what we will get here in bracket minus 45. Is it? So minus minus become plus. So minus 60 plus 45 equal to minus 15. So A10 we got minus 15. So that all it's the last one it is nth term. N term how you will get? Simply change. Nth term how you will get? Sn minus this formula we should use, isn't it? The same formula I already wrote here. This is the formula for nth term. Got it? So we can write that one in writing here nth term which is equal to yes. Nth term an is equal to Sn minus 1. So Sn given here for n minus n square minus Sn minus 1. So 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 the whole square. Is it? So opening this bracket what we will get? 4n minus n square minus of this become 4n minus 4 and minus of this one minus n minus 1 the whole square means a minus b the whole square. Yeah, you should put that one minus n square minus 1 plus 2n. Understood? So all these if we open what we will get? We can see that I am taking the next page here I am writing again. An we got an is equal to the last one we got an is equal to 4n minus n square. We can write here 4n minus n square and minus of 4n minus 4. Yeah, 4n minus 4 minus n square minus 1 plus 2n, correct? Minus n square minus 1 plus 2n. Simplifying what we will get? 4n minus n square minus 4n plus 2n becomes 6n minus 4 minus 1 become minus 5. Is it? Yeah. And minus n square. Yeah. Opening this bracket what we will get? 4n minus n square minus 6n plus 5 plus n square. So n square and n square get subtracted 0, isn't it? Then 4n minus 6n become minus 2n and plus 5 is there. This is the answer, nth term. Is it clear?